Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Features and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone, Android phone precisely. Right. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So as you can see on my screen, as it is written, when you try to download it from Chrome or any browser and this pop up, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Right, let's get right into the video. So what you need to do is you have to go to your phone settings like this and scroll down to apps. Right, so you're gonna look for the browser you actually use. I use Chrome and I think I disabled my Chrome, so I've enabled it now. So what you need to do is, first thing first, you have to click on permissions, right? And you have to enable your camera, enable your contact, enable your mic, enable your nearby device permission, notification, music, right, and photos and videos. Just allow that. Then after doing that, you can now go to storage, click on storage, and you have to clear up your cache, right, and clear up your data as well, right, just like this. So this is how you're going to do that. So after doing that, you reset your phone. You have to reset your phone. So after resetting your phone, everything is going to go back to normal, right? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.